sejahtera. Welcome to KL Bird Park dan selamat datang ke Taman Burung Kuala Lumpur. Right, before that, how are you guys feeling today? Good? Green, the yellow sulfur crested cockatoo. WELCONE. Welcome. Selamat datang ya. Just welcome everyone. Are you ready? Alright, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and jump to the next ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, well done. Thank you so much. Mr. Green is on parrot. Okay? Nama dia Koko. Terima kasih Mr. Raihan ya. Baik, sekarang ladies and gentlemen, let's have a little chat with Koko. Okay? Kita nak berborak dengan Koko sikit. Baik Koko. How are you today Koko? So Koko, we have new friends here. Do you have something to say to them?
Hello.
Oh, hello. Alright, Koko just say hello. Now, Koko, I can see over here we have pretty ladies. Okay? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Alright, hi. Very sweet, right? Okay. How about you say something to the kids and children here? Can you give them a happy hello or crazy hello? Alright, question for you. How do you feel today? Do you feel good or not? Yeah, good. Okay, if you feel good, can you show them happy expression from your heart? Yeah. Okay. So up next, we are going to. Okay, this is Snowy and our trainer, Mr. Olive. Okay. Alright, for your information, Snowy is a white crown hornbill or white crested hornbill. Ya, burung anggang berjambul putih. Okay. And this type of hornbill, they are native to Southeast Asia. Okay, including Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Okay. And for your information, Snowy is a female hornbill, burung anggang betina. We can identify their gender through the color of its eyes. Males have red eyes and females have white eyes. Okay. Nampaknya hujan dah turun sikit. Tak apa, kita teruskan. Tapi kalau lepas kita terpaksa cancel. Baik, sekarang okay, kita teruskan bersama Snowy. Okay. Okay. For your information, the Zizu. Okay. Later we will come here. Okay. Alright, a little info about Zizu. The green-winged macaw is the second largest macaw in the world. Burung kakatua kedua terbesar. Alright. Okay. Wow, very fast. Okay, diminta duduk tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Mungkin kita kejut sikit tak apa. Okay, duduk. Okay, tak apa, kita teruskan dengan Popeye. Okay, baik. Okay, dekat sini kita ada Popeye, Blue Angle Macaw. Alright, okay. Okay, untuk Popeye kita akan tengok. Okay guys, give a big hand to Zizu. Bagus Zizu. Alright. Sebelum tu dia minta kerjasama untuk duduk, dia tidak ambil tempat. Okay, untuk Popeye kita nak tengok bagaimana eagle. Okay. Agak berangin sekarang. Okay, so Popeye, are you ready? Remember the word eagle. Okay. Katanya eagle, burung halang. In Keppel Park we also have eagle, right? So, Brah mini kite, lam merah about 6. Okay, good to go. And then the first one we have E, very good. Okay, huruf pertama kita ada huruf E. Alright. Next one. Oops, are you okay, Popeye? Maybe confused a bit. Alright, and then kita ada huruf J, tak apa, teruskan. Okay, A, alright, correct. Well done. Next one. And then L, alright, bagus. Satu lagi. Silap sikit tadi. Okay, last one, Popeye, come on. Alright. Well done, bye-bye. Okay. Alright, and the one is Ringo. Thank you so much for a big hand to Ringo. Okay? And the other one is Popeye. Also the blue and gold macaw. Big hand to Popeye, okay? So, before that, I need the cheerleaders, okay? So I will divide you guys into two teams. Okay, the first team from here until my right side, you guys will be cheering for Popeye. Okay, yeah? Okay, shout as loud as you can. Popeye, Popeye, Popeye. Okay, now on your mark, get set and go! Come on! Popeye, Ringo. Okay, first team for Popeye. Okay, look at Ringo. Alright. Okay, the winner is Team Ringo. Wah, sedihnya. Ya, hari ni kita nak uji dia punya penglihatan ya, Jody eyesight. So we have 3 empty balls and the wooden dice. Okay, 3 mangkuk kosong dan juga dadu ya. So we are going to hide the dice inside one of the ball and Jody will find the dice ya. Dia akan cari dadu di dalam mangkuk. Baik, Jody, are you ready? Okay, focus. Alright, okay Jody, come on, where is he? Yeah! Very good. A little bit faster, okay? Kali ni laju sikit. So Jody, one more time. Focus. Okay, Jody, focus. Remember, where is... Oh, what happened? Oh, maybe too baju sangat, Cik Ali. Okay, Jody, are you okay? Oh, slow down, slow down. Alright, very fast. Okay, done. Where is it, Jody? Yeah! Very good. Yeah, very good, Ariel. And last one, huh? Okay, one more to go. If the parrot can do this also, can we? Huh? So please keep our environment clean. Last one. Yeah, excellent. A big hand to. On my right side, Mr. Raihan with you. On my left side, Mr. Shafiq with Ariel. And my name is Rizwan. Thank you for coming to Gilbert Park. Have a nice day and bye-bye. And last words from Q.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye and
I like you.
last one. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.